I'm Cynthia. Your divine marriage. Be nice to me.
Shameless. I never agreed to this marriage. Get out. My lord, time for your medicine.
Throw it! My eyes are ruined already!
Stop. Drink it yourself, or I feed you mouth to mouth. Your choice.
Don't come near me. I can drink myself.
Long day. Finally, a bed. Such bliss.
That's my bed. Get up.
Now, it's my bed now too.
You shameless woman!
Take your hand off me and stop touching me.
Be quiet. Let me sleep a while longer.
Get up.
Your medicine's on the table. Take it. Aster, you know I can see you, right?
Done. Sorry. The curse runs too deep. Even with the divine medicine, there's no sign of improvement. I told you, this is my life. I'm crippled, blind. Stop wasting your time on me.
You've only had medicine for what, a few days? And you're already giving up? You're Hades' son. Don't be a coward. Come with me. My mother is the goddess of the moon. I will surely break your curse. Until then, let me be your eyes.
You could have stayed out of this. Why are you being so good to me?
Cynthia! I killed that vicious bitch, Daphne. Please, come back to me!
Take a good look, Atheon. I'm doing just fine here. My husband's handsome and powerful. Why would I ever go back to you?
What are you doing?
All of Olympus is trying to laugh at us. Are you really going to live as their joke forever?
Fine, I'll take the treatment.
Your eyes. You can really see now.
Yes, Mother. I can see now. Cynthia broke the curse for me.
How? No one could break it before.
Of course they couldn't. No divine medicine could break it.
Then what did Cynthia use?
Her purest love. These days, she took care of me day and night, used her divine power to drive the cold from my body. Her heart, without fear, without selfishness, broke my curse eventually.
Oh, Aster. Her kindness broke your curse. She is the salvation fate sent you.
She's the only wife I will ever acknowledge. I used to be walking dead, until I saw my first light, Cynthia. Without her, I'd rather have stayed blind forever. Mother, I want Cynthia to have everything in Underworld. And Olympus too. I won't let anyone mistreat her again.
Aster, hold still. Time for your medicine.
Your eyes. You can see?
Yes. And now I finally get to see the goddess who pulled me out of hell. How beautiful she is. Cynthia, look at me. If you regret it, say it now. I can still let you go.
You talk too much. Aster, I'm your divine marriage.
Your choice, then. From this moment on, you belong to the Underworld. To me.
Aster.
I'm with you, my love.
Cynthia, what's wrong?
Call the divine healer, now!
Congratulations, Your Highness. Lady Cynthia is with child, more than a month along.
Cynthia, we're having a child. Pregnant? That's impossible! That cursed cripple got Cynthia pregnant? My lord, Lady Cynthia broke Aster's curse. No, that's impossible! Cynthia is mine. She can only be mine!